Have you ever stared at a blank screen trying to come up with a new YouTube video idea and just nothing? Or maybe you've asked ChatGPT for help and it gives you this generic, robotic answer that sounds like it came from a customer service handbook. Yeah, I've been there. I'm Robert Earl and I help people build YouTube channels that actually work. No gimmicks, no hype, just real results. And today I'm showing you the ChatGPT prompt formula I use to come up with video ideas, write scripts in my voice, and save hours of time every single week. Most people are throwing vague, one-line requests into a tool that can do incredible things, and then wondering why the results feel so generic. But here's the good news. There's a formula that changes everything. I call it P.R.O.M.P.T. It's a step-by-step system I created after testing hundreds of real-world scenarios with clients, creators, and business owners just like you. And right now, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works and show you how to apply it to two real-world examples. One for a real estate agent and another for a woodworking video creator. You'll finally get the clarity and control that you've been missing when you interact with ChatGPT. And once you learn it, you'll never go back to typing random prompts again. All right, let me introduce you to the system that changed everything for me and the people I coach. It's called the P.R.O.M.P.T formula, and it's how you finally take control of your conversations with ChatGPT. Whether you're a real estate agent writing a listing description or a content creator looking to batch your next 10 video ideas, it all comes down to giving better direction. Here's what P.R.O.M.P.T stands for. P is for purpose. What do you want ChatGPT to do? Be clear. Do you want a script, a list, a plan, a rewrite? Start every prompt with a clear task. For example, write a 60-second script or give me 10 YouTube title ideas. R is for real-world context. Give it the background. Who is this for? What is the situation? What are you trying to solve? Context narrows the possibilities and makes the response relevant. For example, this is for a first-time homebuyer looking to buy their very first property. This video is for beginners using basic tools in the garage workshop. O is for observe. Give it a past example, a format you like, or a structure to follow. Example, use the format intro, tip, call to action, or follow the same tone as this headline. Over 50, start your YouTube channel today. M is for model the voice. Tell it who to sound like. A patient mentor, a confident coach, a laid-back buddy. For example, act like a seasoned agent walking a client through the process. Or speak like a woodworking instructor who's passionate and precise. P is for pick the format. Format matters. Bullet points, numbered list, short paragraphs, full script. If you don't specify, ChatGPT will guess. For example, give me a list of 5 ideas, each on its own line, or write it in a 3-paragraph camera delivery format. And T is for tone. Finally, set the vibe. Friendly, direct, calm, confident, motivated. The tone is what makes the output feel human. For example, keep it warm and encouraging, or sound confident and inspiring. This formula isn't theory. It's the system I use every single day in business, in my content, and with the creators and professionals that I work with and coach. You don't have to use every piece every time, but when you do, you'll go from random robotic results to clear, personalized output that's ready to use right away. Now let me show you exactly how to use this in the two real-world examples, starting with the real estate agent who wants to create a powerful video script. All right, let's put this formula to work using a real-world example, one that every real estate agent will relate to. Let's say you just listed a beautiful home, a pool home, in a 55-plus golf course community, and you want to create a video script to market it online. Not just a bland feature dump, but a story that sells the lifestyle. Watch how we use the P.R.O.M.P.T formula to get ChatGPT to help you do exactly this. So P is for purpose. First, let's be clear about what we want. We want to write a 2-minute YouTube video script to market a pool home listing. R is the real world context. We want to add the background that makes this specific. This home is in a 55 plus golf course community in the Villages, Florida. It has a private screened pool. It backs up to the fairway and is designed for relaxed, active living. O, observe the example. Give ChatGPT a format to follow. Follow this structure. Open with a lifestyle hook, highlight key features, describe the community, and end with a strong call to action. M, model the voice. Tell it who to sound like. Speak like a seasoned, trustworthy agent who's helped hundreds of buyers transition into retirement living. P, pick the format. Layout matters. You'll say, write in short, natural-sounding paragraphs I can read on camera. And tone, finally set the vibe. Keep the tone warm, aspirational, and reassuring. You can see the full prompt and the full output over on my website, asktheearl.com. You see, we didn't just create a script, we used a strategy. Now let's switch gears and look at how it works for a completely different niche, a woodworking video creator who's ready to grow their channel. So now we're going to flip the script, literally, and take a look at how prompt formula works for a completely different type of creator. Let's say you're a woodworking YouTuber. You're over 50, you've got a decade of experience under your belt, and you want to share your passion through simple, beginner-friendly videos. Today's project, a quick start video for building a beginner's workbench using basic tools. You don't want AI to write a boring how-to list. You want a video script that feels like you, approachable, clear, and confidence building for someone picking up a saw for the first time. So under P for purpose, we're going to start strong with your task. We want to write a 3-minute YouTube script for a beginning woodworking project video. Give it some context from the real world. Give it some grounding. This video is for people new to woodworking who are building their first workbench using only basic tools, no fancy equipment. Observe. Show it how to structure and the structure to follow. Use this format, a quick intro, what we're building, list of tools and materials, step-by-step build, wrap up and encouragement. Model the voice. Now make it sound human. Speak like a calm, experienced woodworker who loves teaching beginners without overwhelming them. Pick the format. Keep it YouTube friendly. Write in short paragraphs I can easily read or use with voiceovers. No bullet points. Tone it up. Set the energy. Keep the tone encouraging, steady, and reassuring, like we're building this together in a garage on a Saturday. Again, you can see the full prompt and the final output over on my website, asktheearl.com. That's the kind of script that builds trust and keeps viewers watching. The prompt formula doesn't just help you get content out faster, it helps you make it better every single time. So let's be real for a second. Most people that use ChatGPT use it like they're talking to Google. Vague, rushed, and hoping it just gets it. And that's why the results sound like, well, a robot reading a brochure. But with the prompt formula, you're not guessing. You're not hoping. You're guiding. You're turning ChatGPT from a random answer generator into a real assistant, one that knows exactly what you want, who it's for, and how it should sound. Look at the difference of you saying, write a script about a house. You get a generic lines, zero personality, the wrong tone. You use the prompt method, write a 2-minute script for a pool home in a 55 plus golf community, keep the tone warm, use short paragraphs, highlight the lifestyle. You now get the output that's ready to use. The real magic of this system is how it adapts. Whether you're a real estate agent, woodworking, coaching, or content creation, it blends your voice, your style, and your goals. Once you start using it, you won't believe you ever prompted without it. And the best part, it doesn't just make AI easier for you, it makes you more efficient, more creative, and more consistent. So there you have it, the prompt system for ChatGPT prompts. This works for video creation and other tasks that involve ChatGPT. This is the formula I built to bring clarity to your prompts. So stop wasting time. Stop getting generic junk and start creating content that actually works. Whether you're selling homes or making woodworking videos or launching a personal brand, this system gives you an edge. It gives you control. Now here's what to do next. You can download a free copy of the Prompt System PDF at my website, asktheearl.com. Step 2, try it. Pick one of your upcoming projects and use the prompt formula to generate better title, better script, and a better description. And step 3, drop a comment below and tell me what your niche is. I might reply with a custom prompt idea just for you.